Hello, my name is Daniela Rodriguez, and today I'm going to talk about my experience and my group's experience doing the final project and to analyze it from organizational theory knowledge. So, okay, first of all, this project was established and designed to be a collaboration between UNIVA students and La Sabana students, and the purpose was for UNIVA students to apply their knowledge in importation and exportation, and for us to apply our knowledge in organizational theory. So, seen from an organizational theory point of view, this collaboration was meant to be a symbiotic collaboration because we needed each other's knowledge in order for the collaboration to be a success. However, due to many factors, the collaboration in my group's case was indeed born, but it died during the growing stage of life cycle. Okay, so the collaboration was designed in such a way that that all of the members needed to communicate through social media. And it was designed this way, first of all, because of the geographical distance, and second of all, because of a huge force of change that was COVID-19 global pandemic. And so my group and I, we created a WhatsApp group chat through which we communicated. And so I knew a girl quickly took the leadership, and then we researched, and based on data, we established that we would export raw palm oil from Colombia to Mexico. And so we used rational model of decision making. Also, when we used WhatsApp as our only way of communication, we use technology. And as we saw in class, sometimes when we use technology, something may go wrong. And the problem with only using WhatsApp was that either I or someone else could wrote a message through the group chat, but they never got an answer. And that's what eventually happened. Um, and then we also established one terminal value. And that's the thing when things started to go wrong. We created a weak organizational culture within our group, if our group were to be considered an organization. The thing is, we only established one terminal value, that was that we wanted a high quality collaboration, but we established not clearly, no instrumental values, and only one norm, and that one norm was that we were supposed to meet every Monday and every Tuesday. However, we just did this 3 times, and that's when we chose raw palm oil, and we just did it the 3 times due to communication problems. So when I say we have communication problems, I mean that communication became a huge thing in our group. Once we talked to the Colombians, talked to the UNIVA students, and we said like, okay guys, we're your support people, and we're supposed to give to this project from our organizational theory knowledge. And so they, as leaders, they when once we said that, they were like kind of lost. They really didn't know what to do. So from there, the communication just kept on getting worse and worse. However, like, the communication problem and the weak communication was not just a thing within our group. The communication problem probably started from the UNIVA internationalization offices, and so once it came down the hierarchy, the communication was a huge problem, as it was in our case. However, we talked again to the UNIVA students, and we were like, okay guys, we don't know about importation and exportation, but whatever we need, we will research and we will do. So as the Colombians came across task variability and analyzability, from there, the the UNIVA guys, they just started asking us basic information, either about the price of the raw palm oil or the company specifically, or ports, things like that. So from there, yeah, the communication just started, like, kept on getting worse, and that combined with the culture that we created in our group, or rather the lack of organizational culture that we created in our group, because that at the end, the UNIVA students told us like, okay guys, we have the importation and the exportation part, and so we all agreed that they sent it to us, the La Sabana students, for us to put the organizational theory part, but they never replied to that. So it was due to all of the things that I have said in this presentation, and so the collaboration died.